But some breaking news now coming in. As we said, 10 people died in the overnight rainfall that took place and flooding in Kolkata, and now 2 lakh cash has been announced for the families of the victims. This is by the government, ex gratia for the electrocution victims' kin. Remember, there's a lot of anger in Kolkata, a lot of shock as well over the kind of flooding, this very record-breaking flooding that the city of Joy has seen, and that too just ahead of Durga Puja. So now the government announcing 2 lakh cash for the families of the victims who died in many areas. The power was shut off. In fact, the power did not come for several hours as well, given the kind of flooding that was seen in Kolkata. Now, so 2 lakh cash has been announced for the families of the victims. Now, the Chief Minister of West Bengal has made a big statement also on this rain mayhem, and in a sense, she's seen as blaming citizens and their civic sense for the plight of Kolkata as this rainfall was seen during the heavy rain. Now, she said that a drainage system needs to be put in place, and also said that people tend to throw garbage in front of the drains, and that is what's led to the blocking of the drain. She says we need to bring back a little civic consciousness. She said construction material in Salt Lake area has also just been dumped, and that they were requested to clean it ahead of the puja. Let's listen in to what the Chief Minister said.
যদি আমাদের স্টেট গভর্নমেন্টকে হ্যান্ড ওভার করে দেয়, তাহলে আমরা আগে থেকে প্রিকশন নিয়ে রেডি করতে পারি, সেটাও দেয় না। ফলে মানুষকে আমি তো গঙ্গা আগে যখন নবান্ন যাই, গঙ্গায় দেখতে যাই যে কতটা জল আছে। অদিন আগে থেকে দেখছিলাম গঙ্গা পুরো, আমি খোঁজ নিচ্ছিলাম এত জল ছাড়ছে, তখন শুনলাম বিহারিপুর জলটাও একেবারে উত্তরপ্রদেশে মুখ হয়েছে এবার বৃষ্টি। উত্তরাখণ্ডে আপনারা দেখছেন ধর্ষণে কত মানুষ মারা গেছে, এমনকি বৈষ্ণব মাথা থেকে শুরু করে সর্বত্র দিল্লি মুম্বাই প্রচন্ড বর্ষা হচ্ছে এবারে। আর বর্ষা যেন বাঁধভাঙা বৃষ্টি, এই বৃষ্টি দীর্ঘদিন হয়নি।
All right, so Mamta Banerjee there talking about, civic sense. Let's go across to Shreyashi for more. And Shreyashi, we just heard the Chief Minister there. We do know Kolkata's been through a lot. 10 people have died in this record-breaking rainfall that has been seen. But Mamta Banerjee also talking about civic sense and how people need to stop dumping garbage as well as, material from the metro construction work.
Well, that's right. The Chief Minister today, once again, while addressing the public during Durga Puja inauguration, said that, civic sense also needs to be there. A lot of households dump their wastes on the road, which clogs the drainage system of the city. Now, Kolkata, of course, is a very, very old city here in the country, and the drainage systems are also quite dated. But given the fact that, this is an unprecedented rainfall that Kolkata witnessed a day before yesterday night, and that led to waterlogging across the city that had not been witnessed by the citizens in a very, very long time. It was a harrowing, nightmarish situation for the citizens who were out on the road for their daily business to commute. It was an absolute headache, but thankfully there has been no rainfall today, but a nightmare for the civic workers who have been on the road trying to clear out the waterlogging in the cities. Especially the low-lying areas of South Kolkata were completely inundated. Things have started looking a little bit better, but during the pujas, again, the Met Department has predicted high rainfall. We are expecting rainfall tomorrow as well. So, of course, everyone's taking precautions. The entire festive cheer has been, brought under the cloud now here in Kolkata, and the Chief Minister urging people not to throw garbage on the road that leads to, the drains being clogged. At the same time, pointing fingers at the metro railway, saying that, construction is still taking place in the city. So a lot of sandbags that have been dumped under the metro rail bridge where the constructions are taking place that leads to waterlogging. So the state government trying to kind of deflect the blame from themselves. The Chief Minister yesterday also pointed fingers at the power distributor here in Kolkata because of the electrocution cases that came to the fore. 8 people lost life in Kolkata itself because of waterlogging. There was electrocution. Now, as she has announced, 2 lakh ex gratia to the next of kin of those who were killed because of electrocution yesterday in the city. The state government, of course, closely monitoring the situation on ground, but Kolkata has never witnessed something like this in a long time. And, in days to come, only hoping that the weather stays under control so that such a situation doesn't arise during the festive cheer of Durga Puja here in the city.
All right, Shreyashi, thanks so much for joining us with all those details.